Magandang buhay, mabuting tao. Mabuting tao, magandang buhay. Welcome to my Mabuhay channel. I'm your vlogger, Teacher Bing, Erlinda Bing, Basilio Ringdon. Live and alive, I'm here in People's Park, Davao City. This is it, the entrance with the awesome terrific decoration towards the park. At this moment, there are many park goers already. 4 o'clock, they're open 1 o'clock to 9 p.m. according to one caretaker I have just interviewed a while ago. So, sharing you. These are the spectacular view. Sabas healthy. 1, 2, 3. Pose! Let's move forward over there. Okay. Davao is known as the land of the eagles, or the Dorian, land of Dorian. The symbol, eagle. What are the other really amazing beauty spot within People's Park? So this is one, and they have the signage, People's Park. Okay, this is the People's Park. Okay, have a glimpse of the welcome signage, People's Park. Welcome to I Love People's Park. And over there, of course, the amazing view wherein you can have your relaxing moment. There are many trees, and there are chairs, benches. You can relax for moments. So this is the live and alive picture now of People's Park at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Many park goers already inside. For some more beauty spots, where we are, it is a picture of Davao life. Okay, it's wonderful. Really, I love to be here. There is no entrance, even the CR. You just go there. Yeah, so really convenient place, cozy, comfy for relaxation, and including your get together with friends. Sharing this, and I also observed there are park goers who are using this area as their place of jogging and exercise. So because it's a wide area, there's a place you can jog around, you can walk around, you can perform your working performance or workout exercises. For children's park, we have the children's park here, the slide, and the figure of animals like the tiger. Same also with the dwarf. Showing you the amenities of the park, of People's Park, for children's leisure and having fun here. And there is signage: do not leave your valuables unattended. It's not yet open. I do not know what time it will be open. Today is Saturday. The CR is over there. This is also the exact or the awesome location for some students to practice their dance number, whatever performances in school. There is a wide space within People's Park. You can bring your family, your friends for just for picnic and sharing moments. It's cozy, not as much as there are many trees around. Okay, the ground is filled with Bermudas. Okay. The bomb bells, another attraction of the park. This one, this is swimming pool, but it's not functioning for now. Really, people of Davao, they are really privileged for having this type of amenities without charge, or it's a free to all Davaoenyo and even tourists or anyone, although they are not here in Davao City. Another here, we have to make a climb over there. So just like looks like a bridge. Okay, let's climb for another exercise. This is the view for now. I'm already at the top of the world. Wow, it's like, yeah, it looks like I'm the mountain, but we have to go back now. Okay, going down for a moment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Few steps only, almost 50. Can reach the ground area. There are also many garbage container that is provided from every corner. By that one, jogging around this area of the park. Okay, other attraction. These are now the live park goers at this very hour of the day. So terrific, spectacular. I do not know if other places, the government, they also have like this. People's Park, free for all people, although they are not inhabitants or residents of Davao. Sharing you another figure wherein it will be enjoyed not only by the children but of course the ones was young. Okay, the adults. Fruits in Davao, this sign of abundance, the durian, mangosteen, and of course other fruits available here, the papaya, and almost all types of fruits. We are now going outside of People's Park, the exit area here. And let me share you more attractions like this. So amazing Davao. I love Davao. Okay. Really, you are completely refreshed if you are here in People's Park, Davao City. Nice location for selfie, picture taking, and of course, making vlogs or video like this. Let's move on. The pathway, this is the pathway, different colors, purple, blue, they have also green color. Okay, so for now, this is my a day in Davao City. Your vlogger, teacher being Erlinda being Basilio Rendon. Don't forget to like, comment, share my YouTube Mabuhay channel and my 2 pages and 2 Facebook account, Erlinda being Basilio Rendon. Like, comment, share, follow me, subscribe, comment to my YouTube Mabuhay channel. Thank you, Mabuhayers, for your following my vlogs and posts.